Hello, I'm Nicolette. Today we're going to draw a robot. So you're going to need a pen, or you prefer a pencil. Some people like to draw with a pencil first, and you can rub out if you make mistakes and then draw over top with a pen. So I'm just going to use a pen today. So first of all, we were going to do a robot. So I'm going to do a cute robot today. So I'm going to do him a little face. Like this. To make a character cute, you need big eyes. So, one on this side, two, and then a little mouth, like that. There we go. Now he needs a neck, so I'm going to just do that for his neck. And a body, which is going to be similar to his head. We're going to go across, and the same on that side. I'm going to come down and across again, down. So to make his arms move, we're going to have a round ball connected to his body, like that. Now this bit you might need, because I'm going to do him with long wobbly arms. So you could use a pencil to make it easier, because you could do a faint line like that. So this bit's going to be a little bit difficult. I want to have grabbers on the end, but we're going to do them after. I'm going to do this one going a different direction. Maybe that way, like that. Down. So now they're a guide for you. So what we're going to do, this is a bit tricky this bit, is going to draw some circles like that. This is like on your Hoover, where you can make it makes it move, makes it flexible. So that's why your guidelines make it easier, you see. You can do that along your guidelines. So go all the way. There. Maybe to there. And the same on this side. That. All the way along. You could do your arms going in any direction. Okay, there's his wobbly arms. Right, so we can draw these grabbers now, because robots need grabbers, don't they? So I'm going to have that. Maybe a dot there. Like that. Same on this side. There we go. A dot there. So now for the grabbers. So we're going to do line and a line. Like that. Same on this side. Line going out and another line. Okay. It's easy. If you pause the video, if I'm going too fast, if you pause the video, that will help you. Just pause it at any time. I'm going to another line there, another line there. Same on this side. 1, 2, that line. That one's a little bit more open, like he's ready to grab. And all you need to do is a tiny line there. Very, very small, these ones. And the same on this side. 1, 2. There we go. And then a V shape. There. Now he's got his grabbers. V shape. You can pinch with them, pick things up. I hope he's been programmed into not to be evil. So he only follows commands that are nice. So there we go. 2 circles there. I don't know, shall I do a wheel on this one, or shall I do it? I don't know. Or legs. I think I'm going to do legs. Like that. And then a line here. And a line there. Okay. Now he needs some knees, which I'm going to do circles so he can move and bend his legs like that. Okay. And then he needs some more lines here so he can move. Okay, little legs and long arms. So now I'm going to draw his feet. So So we'll do an arch like that to join the same on that side. I'm sure I might put him on roller skates on so we can roll around. Yes. So we'll do lines like that. And we'll do our circles first. 1, 2. No rollerblades. 3. 1, 2. Do you know what I used to do when I was little? This is dangerous and I wouldn't attempt it. I used to tie a skipping rope to the back of the bike and then get my friend to ride the bike and then hold onto the skipping rope and ride along with the rollerblades. Dangerous. Not a good idea. So what I've got to do is this on top of his head. This is a signal. So we can take signals. So we need it to buzz. So we'll just do some little lines like that. So it looks like it's buzzing. Maybe some lines going out like that. Okay, we need the same with the arms. So you want to make it look like your arms are wobbling. So I'm going to do these lines. And that is all you need to do. To make it look like it's wobbling, that is all you need to do. There we go. Maybe same on the elbow there. Okay, what about some buttons? I'll have a big button here, like that. And a control pad maybe, so you could just do a square. I'm going to do mine coming in. You could invent your own buttons. Do whatever you like. So, I'm going to do a little circle and a big circle. And I think I'm going to do a line around the edge of that. Okay, just framing it and maybe some dots. That's where it's been stuck on. Your little pins to stick it on. Okay, and I'm going to do a patch on the shoulder where it's been repaired. Oh dear. There we go. It's them rollerblades. He's going too fast on them. So his eyes, I think I might do to make him look a little bit different. I'm going to put a circle in the middle. And this one, I'm going to do a circle like that. And that looks more like a little one there. Oh. You started to look a bit crazy. I was meant to be doing a cute alien. Alien? I'm not drawing an alien, a cute robot. I'll do the floor. So you just all you need to do to make it look like he's standing on the floor is lines like that. Okay. I'm going to do a bit of detail on his rollerblades, maybe like that. Same at the back. There we go. I think he needs more buttons. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Again, you can make your robot however you like. You can do whatever buttons you like on yours, and I think he may be finished. Just maybe some lines here. There we go. I think that might be him done. So if you want to send your pictures to me, or in the comments below, you'll find the details. I will put them on my page. And thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.